Alright everybody, this is the National Mall. There's the Washington Monument. I walked that last time if you look at my YouTube channel. And there's the Capitol. So we're going to walk this way. The ground is a little rocky, so sometimes rocks fly in your socks or in your shoes. So we're going to walk this so you guys can see the Washington Monument, and I'll stop by the food trucks so you guys can see what's over there. Washington Monument's a really nice place to come for, to do your morning exercise. If you get up super early, you can come walk this beautiful mall. It's really nice. The Smithsonian metro station was just there, so I'm walking towards the Capitol. And there's all these museums around. So it's really nice to come out here and check it out. I just got to be careful when I'm walking because it's a ground. It's like a rock, like walking on like gravel. There you go. Like you're at a playground, and the grass looks beautiful. I guess they blocked it off so people don't play around. See, I'm turning around, and you can see how there's the monument over there. It's a beautiful day. Here's some of the museums. I don't know which museum that is, but yeah, it's a nice little, nice time to come down here. The sun kind of disappeared, so it's a little cooler. It was warmer earlier. A lot of people ask me, Ken, what kind of camera are you using to do this video? It's called Instago 3 Pro. I'm using. I'll try to put it in my link so you guys can get it. This is the older model. They have a newer model now that does 4K. I just got that yesterday, so I'm going to test it out. I'll still keep this one so I can do, instead of doing 30 minutes and then 10, I'll be able to do 30 minutes and additional 20 minutes after that, because the new camera has better battery, I think. But yeah, we'll see. I'll test that out. But these cameras run between, I've seen them for $499 down to like $399, $329. They're great cameras. This one is in my ball cap, so it snaps on the ball cap so you can walk around. And people stop me and say, "Hey, you're recording me?" I said, "Well, I don't mean to record you, but I'm recording the scenery, but you're popping up in the video, but I don't mean to do that." But I guess we live in a new generation of where people just, it's like cameras everywhere now. Cell phones have cameras, so Or some coleslaw. There's the refreshments. Now, to give you guys advice, if you come downtown, please don't buy any refreshments from these little areas because these are expensive. I remember I came here and I got a hot dog and a Pepsi, and it was $10. So the best place to get food is at the food trucks, and we're gonna walk through the food trucks so you guys can see what food there is. Looks like they're building something here. They got this tower crane. And yeah, they got this tower crane. And that's what it says. Visit the Shorn Museum. Looks like it's an extension or something. But I'll try to keep up with it. You know, when I pass here again, we'll probably see it again and see how the construction's doing. I remember last time I came here, there was a park over here. Now the park is gone. Yep, and they started building. They're going to build it straight up, I think, or maybe connect it to that building over there. I don't know how they're going to do it. It might be a connection. I don't know. But there's museums on both sides. So here's the food trucks. It's funny, there's not that many food trucks out today. Usually there's a lot. There's not that many today. It'd be nice to do it before and after. Like now there's no museum or no building, and then when we come back there'll be a building here after a few 6-7 months. You know, they build stuff fast. So here's where all the food trucks are. Like I said, there's not that many today. I don't know why. Usually it's all lined up. You got your ice cream food truck. You got, yeah, it's not that many. Normally there's a lot of food trucks here. I don't know if I should walk because the gentleman's walking. I'm going to walk. I think I should be careful. So yeah, we are walking towards the Capitol. I don't know why there's a stage there. There might be something set up over there. But we're gonna check it out. We're just gonna walk. I don't know how long battery life I have, but we're gonna walk, check it out. Hope you guys enjoy the scenery. When they have the Taste of DC, I'll make sure I record that for you guys. That's really nice. They have all these restaurants out in the street, so I'll make sure I do that for you guys. I think that's the Air and Space Museum. They got something going on over there. Probably should have walked on that side of the field so you guys could see that. No, I'm good. Thank you. I'm good. Thank you. He's trying to sell me a fan, but I don't need a fan. Probably $20. Yeah, you get a lot of people trying to sell you stuff when you're out here in the city. It looks like it's the Folklife, if I'm reading it right. They got something going on here at the museum. It's a bunch of activities. Like I said, there's always something to do in DC. Always. And I have to film one day Ocean City. Ocean City is about 3 hours from DC. So one day I'll take you guys with me to Ocean City and walk the boardwalk. That'd be really nice. You know? Guys can check out Ocean City. I might be wrong. It might be 4 hours. I'm not sure. There's a bunch of stuff going on over here, so I don't know if that's part of the festival. It might be. It definitely might be. But we are walking straight towards it, so I don't know if there's a charge for it. I don't think there is. Uh-oh, let's see, I don't know how much battery life I have. I guess they probably moved the festival under the trees because it's hot. Got some music going on over here.
Strive to maintain an accessible environment for visitors of all abilities. If you are in
There it is, the Smithsonian Folklife Festival. So tomorrow is it's going to be the whole month of July. No, June 26th, no, I'm sorry, it's ending tomorrow. Tomorrow is June 1st. So that's the festival. I see they got restaurants over there and stuff. Maybe I'll walk over there for you guys. That makes sense why there's no food trucks out here, because they want people to go to the restaurants that are part of the festival. Yeah, that's part of what it is. There's the capital.
Like they think a foreigner, like they forget I am a foreigner, but whatever.
Alrighty, so let's walk back through the festival. It's a little cooler over here because of the shades. Sorry.
Or anything really wet.
I see. That's how they make some money.
Yeah, they're in there. Okay. 205. Yeah.
Peruvian chicken in. There are a lot of food places there.
We have lots of stories. You can tell.
Oh, they got a skateboard ramp over there. There's a lot of good stuff over here. Alright guys, let me head back. That was a nice little walk. So we're probably going to head back over to the Metro. There's the National Museum of American Indians. Yep, that is the Air and Space Museum. That's a very pretty museum. The building is beautiful. Usually the food trucks are all lined up here, but I guess because of the event going on, they probably, don't want they want to, have people buy stuff from the food, the event.
I did get in route when we were down.
Yeah, see, there's some food trucks there.
What?
Maybe they're doing some construction. Don't know.
Yeah, this is like classic. Hey man, I can't believe you Oh really? Oh, okay, cool. Right. Yeah.
I know. He showed me. I think Chelsea sent me a picture of like what he looks like right now. Who is that? Never ever.
Oh, there's the U.S. Department of Education. Oh, there's a McDonald's. Federal Center Plaza. Oh, the Museum of the Bible. Look at that, guys. The Museum of the Bible. And there's a big sign that says Metro. That's where we want to go. Look at that Museum of the Bible. That's a beautiful building. Guys, see that? One day I'll have to go inside, check it out. I'm not sure what that building is over there on my left. On the right, it's the Bible Museum. I'm just following the signs to the metro. See the arrow there that says metro? Yeah. Because metro is the best way to get around the city. You don't want to drive. Take the metro. Park at a metro station in the suburbs and just take the train in. And they have cheap rates. Parking is free on the weekends. So you don't have to worry about that. How you doing, sir? Parking is free on the weekends, so you don't have to worry about, just park at the metro stations. They're free on the weekends. Get yourself a pass and get on the train and go through the city, go on the bus. Yeah, this is the Bible Museum. Metro, pointing that way. Up, there's the Gold's Gym. So, not sure what metro station it is going to be, but we'll find out. This is a restaurant, Jerks of the Caribbean's Cafe. Oh, here it is. Metro station right here. Isn't that funny? It's right here. Alright guys, that's Federal Center Southwest Metro Station. Alright guys, thank you for walking with me, and keep looking for my next videos, okay? And remember, like, follow, subscribe, share. My name is Ken, last name is Baron. You can find me on Facebook. Alright guys, have a good day and be blessed. Bye-bye.